Alright folks, I have my data here copied into Google Sheets. You can see that I have down to the year 20,000. We're going to insert our graph, so we highlight our data range. We'll go to Insert, Chart. At the beginning, Google seems to be having some trouble. It needs to have an x-axis, so we're going to tell it years is the x-axis. And down here, we don't want years graphed, so we need to delete years from there. From there, we actually have a nice, easy graph. The blue line is element A, red is element B, yellow is element C, green is element D. Unlike some previous ones, we actually need that legend, so it can stay right there. We can put it on the bottom, or we could put it on the side, either way. This title is a bit cumbersome, so we can say number of radioactive atoms remaining over time. We also need a axis title for the horizontal axis. And this is years. And we need a label for our vertical axis, which is for number remaining. Number of radioactive atoms remaining. That looks good. From there you can copy it and you'll paste it into your document. Okay, I hope that's helpful.